Imagine walking into your dream job on the first day. You want to sound professional, but you make one small grammar mistake that ruins your first impression. In the next 10 minutes, I will teach you the perfect way to introduce yourself and the one grammar rule you must know for business English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the JISH Learn English Podcast. I am Shaylin. Today, we are mastering the art of the first impression. Meeting a new team can be stressful, but it is the best time to show your English skills. In this lesson, you will learn how to sound professional, not just nice, a magic phrase to build rapport instantly, and finally, we will fix the most common grammar trap students fall into, the correct way to use looking forward to. Are you ready to impress your new colleagues? Let's jump into the conversation and watch David meet the whole marketing team for the first time.
Good morning, everyone. Can I have your attention for a moment? As you know, we have a new member joining the family today. This is David, our new marketing manager.
Good morning, everyone. It is a pleasure to meet you all.
David, why don't you take a few minutes to introduce yourself? Tell the team a little bit about your background and what you did before coming here.
Sure, I would love to. Well, I have been working in marketing for about 10 years now. Before joining this company, I worked at a tech firm in Chicago. My main experience is in digital sales and social media.
Oh, that is interesting. Did you manage a big team there?
Yes, I did. I managed a team of 5 people. It was a great job, but I was looking for a new challenge. That is why I came here. I want to help this company grow.
We are definitely growing, but we have a lot of work right now. We actually have a tight deadline for the summer project.
I understand. Actually, handling deadlines is one of my strengths. I like to be organized. My goal is to support you, not to give you more stress.
That is exactly what we need, David. We value teamwork here. We all collaborate very closely. Design, writing, and marketing work together every day.
That is perfect. To be honest, I have heard great things about this team. I saw your campaign last year for the charity event. It was excellent work.
Thank you. That was a hard project, but we were proud of it.
So, David, we know about your work, but what about you? What do you do in your free time?
Good question. Well, I love to travel, and on weekends, I usually play tennis. I am not a professional, but I like to stay active.
We have a few tennis players here, actually. Maybe you can play a match with Mike sometime.
I would like that. Welcome to the team, David.
Thank you, Mike. Thank you, everyone. I am really ready to start. I look forward to working with you and learning from all of you.
Excellent. Well, let's sit down and I will share the agenda for today.
David did a great job in that meeting. He sounded professional and the team liked him immediately. But why? He used 3 important tools: business words, politeness, and one special grammar rule. If you want to speak like David, you need to learn these too. Let's look at them clearly, step by step. First, let's talk about business vocabulary. In the conversation, Sarah asked David a question. She said, "Tell us about your background." Now, usually the word background means the thing behind you, like the wall behind me right now. But in business English, background means your history. It means your education and your past jobs. When someone says, "What is your background?" they are asking, "What did you do before you came here?" So David answered by talking about his 10 years of experience. Remember this, your background is your professional story. The next important word we heard was deadline. Elena, the designer, said, "We have a tight deadline." Listen to that word again, deadline. This is a very common word in offices. A deadline is the specific time that you must finish your work. For example, if your boss says, I need this report by Friday at 5 p.m., then Friday at 5 p.m. is your deadline. If you're late, you miss the deadline. David said he is good at handling deadlines. This means he is organized and finishes his work on time. The third word is a beautiful verb, collaborate. Sarah said, we collaborate very closely. To collaborate means to work together, but it is stronger than just help. When you help, you assist someone. When you collaborate, you work with them as a partner to build something new. In modern business, we do not just work alone, we collaborate. Try to use this word instead of work together. It sounds much more professional. Now let's move to social skills. How do you make people like you immediately? David used 2 tricks. First, look at his greeting. He did not say, "Hi guys." He said, "It is a pleasure to meet you all." Listen to the difference. Nice to meet you is fine, it's friendly, but it is a pleasure to meet you is formal and shows deep respect. David is a manager, so he uses high-level politeness. Also, notice he added the word all, pleasure to meet you all. This covers everyone in the room at the same time. The second social trick was his compliment. He said, "I have heard great things about this team." This is a magic phrase. Even if you don't know the people, you can say this. It builds rapport. Rapport means a good connection. When David said this, Mike and Elena smiled. They felt proud of their work. They immediately liked David because he respected them. So, on your first day, do not just talk about yourself. Say something nice about the team. Say, "I have heard great things about you." Finally, we must discuss the grammar. This is the most critical part of today's lesson. I want you to listen very carefully. At the end of the conversation, David said, "I look forward to working with you." Many students make a big mistake here. In English, usually after the word to, we use the base verb. We say, "I want to go," or "I like to eat." So your brain wants to say, "I look forward to work." But this is incorrect. The phrase look forward to is special. The word to here is a preposition. In English grammar, after a preposition, we must use a noun or a gerund. A gerund is the verb ending in ing. So you cannot say, "I look forward to see you." You must say, "I look forward to seeing you." You cannot say, "I look forward to meet you." You must say, "I look forward to meeting you." David said, "I look forward to working with you." Please practice this rule. It is the #1 mistake I hear in business interviews. If you use the ing form, you will sound like a native speaker. So, remember the 3 keys from today's lesson. Use the word collaborate, greet people with "It is a pleasure to meet you," and this is the big one. Always remember, after look forward to, use the ing verb. Now you understand the rules, but how do you introduce yourself? Maybe you are not a marketing manager like David. Maybe you're an engineer or a teacher. Don't worry. I have created a simple 5-step formula. You can use this structure for any job. Take a screenshot of this part. Here is how you do it. First, start with a polite greeting. Don't just say, "Hi." Say, "Good morning, everyone. It is a pleasure to meet you all." Second, tell them your history. Use the grammar phrase, "I have been working." Fill in the blanks. I have been working as a job title for blank years. Example, I have been working as a software engineer for 5 years. Third, tell them one special thing you did. This shows your experience. Start with, in my last job. Example, in my last job, I managed a team of 10 people. Example, in my last job, I created a new sales system. Fourth, explain how you can help. What are you good at? Say, my strength is skill, and I want to use this to help the team. Example, my strength is problem solving, or my strength is customer service. Finally, step 5, show that you value teamwork. Use the grammar rule we learned today. Say, I look forward to collaborating with you all. Remember, collaborating, not collaborate. Excellent work today. You are now ready for your first day with a new team. Let's quickly summarize the 3 keys to success we learned in this episode. Use professional words like background, deadline, and collaborate to sound like a manager. Build rapport immediately by saying, it is a pleasure to meet you, and complimenting the team. And this is the big one. Always remember, after look forward to, use the ing verb. Correct, I look forward to learning with you. Now it's your turn to practice. I want to meet you. For your homework, I want you to introduce yourself in the comments below using the 5-step formula we just practiced. Tell me, what is your job? And complete this sentence. I look forward to blank. I will read your comments and check your grammar personally. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the JISH Learn English Podcast. Turning on the notification bell helps you never miss a lesson. Thank you so much for watching and studying with me today. I am Shaylin. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I will see you all in the next episode. Bye-bye.